Welcome this video. Design the perfect front yard in Boxbird is a great way to enhance your home curb appear and showcase your created whether you want a modern, elegant or easy aesthetic a well designed front yard can set the tone for your preference. Blend. We will explore various elements to consider when design your boxbird front yard from landscape and part away to decoration, functional and light, landscape and gardening. Landscape is a fountain of any gardening box front yard. Start by select the various of plants and trade and complement the theme of your home. You can use hub to create burn pathway or flower bed. Tree like pens add the nature and sophistication look. Birds smart tree such as blend can provide the charm and colorful aesthetic. Consider add layout to